Okay, so we're back with another build, not a Land Rover Defender this time, but a 70 series Land Cruiser. Now, this job is a bespoke fitting, so we're not doing a normal kit for this. We are diving in, we're ripping out the full interior, taking the full interior out carefully, and we're adding sound deadening, soundproofing, and making it a lot quieter than it currently is. Now, a bit about the 70s Land Cruiser. It's a brand new vehicle. It's been imported from Australia, I think this one's been imported from. It's not even road registered yet. One slight problem, it is a Toyota, so it means that panels are thin, and as a result, the inside of this is very, very noisy when you're driving around. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and improve that and make this really cool vehicle quite comfortable to drive on UK roads as well. Right, so what's today going to entail? First of all, I like to start at the front of the vehicle. No specific reason, I just like to work front to back. So we're gonna do the underbonnet first of all. Gonna add some deadening there first of all. It's just tinny, really, really tinny. So we're gonna add some deadening to take out that tinny vibration sort of noise. Then we're gonna add probably a 6 or a 15 mil open cell foam under there as well. Again, just to absorb the engine noise. Then we're gonna move back. We would do the arch liners. Problem is there aren't any arch liners. It is just bare metal. Well done, Toyota. So can't do anything in there. Not gonna put anything on an exposed surface like that. It's just not gonna be worth it. So let's move on. Doors. I mean, he's literally like a drum there. So we'll get some deadening in the doors. Taking the door panels off isn't going to be too much of an issue because it's a very old school design, so we can just pop those off, deadening behind. And then same with the floor. With this vehicle, it's really easy to take the seats out. So I'm going to take both of these front seats out. Then the carpet will be able to remove that. And then we're going to deaden each of the floor pan areas, just dot pads here, there and everywhere. And then we're going to soundproof over the top with our sound barrier material. Same in the back. And then we're going to tackle the roof as well on this. So lower the headlining, deaden the roof, and then 15 mil foam up there as well. And I think that'll be about it. Apart from in the boot, rear wheel arches, we're going to sound deaden and then put some soundproofing in there. And then we'll have a look at the floor section in the back as well, because there'll be a lot that we can do there. So just to note as well, we can't test drive this car. So unfortunately in this video, I can't give you a before and after. It's not road registered. I don't want to get locked up and I don't want this car to be impounded. So yeah, that's it. We're going to get cracking on the front first, work our way around. Should take, it's definitely a full day, might be 2 days work. And yeah, let's see what we can do with it. What I've done is I've templated the underbonnet using cardboard. I find it the easiest way to template. I could try 3D scanning it. I think that's for another day. I think at the moment, I'm quite comfortable with my cardboard. So, bit of brown paper, bit of cardboard. Hold it up there with a couple of magnets, as long as your bonnet's steel. If it's aluminium, good luck, you have to hold it by hand. And then just draw around the various recess bits or bits you have to miss. Once that's done, cut the material that we're going to be using. So we're going to use the deadening, the NK mat first, take out those vibrations. Then I'm going to use the exact same templates to do some 15 mil foam. And then we're going to stick those into place. Bonnet cover goes back on. Jobs are good. So under the bonnet we've used the NK mat first of all, 3mm thick polymer construction, and this is really dense, takes out all your vibrations on a bare panel. On the Land Cruiser there's a lot of vibration when you tap it, so imagine what it's like when it's driving. And all you're going to do, stick that on, well, which we've done, and then that'll take out your vibration. And then we move on to the sound absorption layer. So this is the 15mm flat foam, open cell construction, fully fire rated. And the idea with this is the sound waves come and hit the material and they are absorbed rather than then bouncing back and creating more noise. So as a two-step approach, you've got your deadening for your vibration and your absorption layer. Sound deadening, soundproofing. We've stripped the interior, it's done. That is like the easiest vehicle I've ever worked on. It was, I mean, it's worrying that for 65 grand, it came apart so easily. Loved it, absolutely loved it. Literally looked at the clips and they went, oh, okay, I'll come off. Like, dead easy. So we've stripped it, fully stripped. I think we thought maybe we'll just strip little bits and do work, but it was that easy, we just took the whole thing apart. Only thing left to strip out now is the headlining, but I'm going to do that slightly later. So we've done that, we're back to bare metal. There's a lot of bare metal, so we need to get in with the deadening material first. So we've got the pads, they're going to just get dotted around wherever we can. The only problem we've got is that in this vehicle they've sprayed some kind of, well, they call it sound deadening, it's not really, but they've sprayed something on there. I can't stick the pads to it because they'll just peel off. So I'm going to have to use exposed metal where I've got access. 50% coverage is fine, 80% is preferable. So we're going to cover as much as we can, and then we're going to move on and get some soundproofing in there as well before the whole interior goes back together. And just like that, it's done. There you go. Nearly the end of the day. We've not finished. These fittings normally take 2-3 days. Well, we've definitely broken the back of it. We've done some of the doors, we've done the rear doors, we've done the front door here. We've sound deadened the boot area and soundproofed it, so that is fully done, ready to go. Moving on to the front, we've done this footwell section with deadening where we could and some sound barrier for soundproofing. Now, you might see that this is overlapping here. Not a problem at all. It'll fall down and go into place when you've got the carpet on it. A few tweaks to make on here just to add a bit more material, and then we'll start putting it all back together. Yeah, and then we've got the roof to look at as well. But underbonnet's done as well. And yeah, can't wait to get it finished because I think this is going to make a huge difference in a really cool car, but one that is sadly lacking in soundproofing at the moment. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you know a bit more now about soundproofing and sound deadening a Land Cruiser 70 series. And if you want to find out any more about any of the products that we sell, or if you want us to do a fitting for you, then just have a look on the website, noisekillers.co.uk. We also regularly update the YouTube, so please subscribe to that, and our social media pages as well, mainly Instagram, which is @Noisekillers Limited. So go and check us out, and we'll have another video on a new vehicle coming very soon. Thanks for watching.